Updating your email address on PayPal is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure your account information is current. Step 1. Login. Visit the PayPal website or open the PayPal app. Enter your login credentials to access your account. Step 2. Go to Account Settings. Once logged in, locate the settings icon, usually represented by a gear symbol. Click on it to enter your account settings. Step 3. Select Email. In the Account Settings menu, find the Email section. Click on it to view current email addresses associated with your account. Step 4. Add new email. Look for an option to add a new email address. Enter the new email address you wish to use and follow any prompts to confirm it. Step 5. Confirm changes. After adding the new email, you may need to verify by clicking a link sent to the new email address. Once confirmed, you can set it as your primary email if desired. Make sure to check your account regularly for any updates or notifications. Keeping your email address current ensures you receive important information related to your PayPal account.